good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. We are at Queensland Raceway for Powercruise. I think it's 86. Didn't really pay attention, I just knew it was on and I thought I'd come up. So come just out on a Saturday, so all that we'll have will be Saturday stuff. Wife wasn't as keen to go to Powercruise as I was particularly. I wasn't too keen either, but I decided why not, we'll come out. So brought the drift car out, just me and Trav. Hopefully we're not changing a gearbox. We've brought a spare gearbox, but I really don't want to change it. However, we are in the short track area, so normally we line up here for short track and send it as fast as we can down there. Not today because it's a full burnout pad. So anyway, we're going to go there, race some people. I don't know if we're even going to do any drifting in this one. I just don't know. So get what we get and we're going. So we brought all our genuine looking wheels, brought all my work wheels, and they're not genuine work wheels, they're just genuine forward wheels. But thought I'd just try and look the part a little bit. Yeah. Go and race the people and hopefully not break it, so let's go. Oh yeah, we're also wearing bucket hats because we're just average Joes. Nothing to see here, just us cruising. 2 blokes, 1 AU, 2 bucket hats. So we're out here just bloody camping out in the bloody cruise sessions.
Bogan line.
Thanks.
We're here.
Yeah, we've been here for a while. I think we're gonna get literally 1 cruise session in. Hopefully we'll get some other stuff in. I don't know. We'll see if we race some people and if we win. Like I said, if we make it down to the end of the straights and still have our gearbox working, it's a win. So Trav, I got my 3D little decal here. Check this 3D thing out. Yeah, I know it looks like mud, don't be deceived. It is 3D decal.
JDM.
Also 3D decal brake dust spots. Very good.
She got style, grace. She got attitude. Feel it much in her touch. Show my gratitude. She got style, grace. She got attitude, so much love in her touch. Show my gratitude. And every time we touch, girl, it's
So this is pretty much, you know when you think of Powercruise and it's just cruising with your mates the whole time? Well, this is more of a real version of what it actually is like. Parked up in queues, waiting for ages. That's what it's really like. Just a tip. I mean, it's still fun, but... Well, they backed off. Wizard. naughty thing. I dumped that in third.
Oh,
that was very naughty.
but it held up. Oil!
I was like,
It's all up the windscreen,
yeah, I was
look.
like, what?
Holy!
Yeah, boy.
That was hectic. That was very hectic. Just had to clean the oil off the tyres from the other car.
Oh, we got carried away, don't we?
So we got carried away.
You know what the best thing is? We don't even have a boost gauge. We have no idea even how much boost we're running.
And the thing is, we didn't even clean the inside of the window, and now the outside's dirty as well, so that's good. So this is what happens at Powercruise when you are behind a VL.
I know.
PK.
I've been paying out VLs the whole time.
Cheers, mate. Give him the boost up. So this is a great cruise actually. So we're just going for a leisurely cruise with our friends that we've made today.
Here's my friend that I just met today.
So this is, yeah, it's really nice sort of leisurely cruise. Can't do any foot-ons, well we did, but we can't.
Listen.
I smell oil again. Someone's on fire. Someone's on fire. What? Oh no, someone did a
Hey,
party.
he's got a burn out.
Jeez, this thing is so quick, eh? Like, it's ridiculous. Untuned, stock ECU, valve springs, turbo, that's it. Crazy. Weakest point's the T5.
Yeah, it's all here.
It was quick.
I don't think I've got enough boost to go.
Nah.
I'm trying to turn it.
Humpies. Humpies. Hey? Oh, really? Can you go in here? Ah,
I reckon we did get probably good 15 minutes.
yeah. We only got 15 minutes look, but bloody hell. Oh well. Go over and try and fix it and bloody apprentices. Oh,
So we popped the cooler pipe and we're gonna check what's happening. Hang on, man. Just gonna a little bit in there, but that's not much. Pretty good. So guys, basically Monday morning now, so bit of rundown for the weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage that we had there. Trav filmed a little bit of the burnouts, I think power skids as well it was, so sorry I haven't gone through all the footage, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a weird event. I think next year we'll probably do something else. Main disappointment was basically the intercooler pipe, a pipe that has not caused any single issues basically got two sides of the intercooler pipe, and it never had an issue on that side ever. And it's one of those things. If you know intercooler pipes, kind of once it comes off, it just always comes off until you start changing stuff. So that was a disappointment for us. However, just it is what it is. So it won't even stay on now. Like if I go for a long period of time on full boost, it will come off. So that was a bit upsetting. We definitely didn't go through anywhere near as many tyres as we wanted to. And the car is covered in oil. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, in one of the videos we did have a guy in front of us, something with his transmission. Either line came off, I'd say it'd be a line, but the whole front straight. And yeah, we copped all of it, which was great. So, and I love power steering fluid, transmission fluid, it's great. So that's for this Powercruise 86. I don't know if we'll do the next ones or not, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, really didn't, strange thing, no one really raced us. Like, I don't know if it's the way I was driving, it was just too rowdy, it looked too rowdy and this thing looked that off its head, but I don't know. And no one really raced us. Not that we really cared about winning races, we just wanted to go and feint the car, so we did. Yeah, that's it. I'm a bit tired. Currently my face is hurting because my tooth has expired its existence, so that's great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We're coming back with more other things. I don't know, you just peace out guys, have fun. Oh, help me.